extra than it is for manufacturing. That's our philosophy. And technological advancements only can make this possible. If you are technologically upgrading only, you can save precious resources like soil. Otherwise, you will be overutilizing all the resources, electricity, money, soil, and other raw materials. So, in order to reduce, you have to do this. So upgrading the technology we use for producing various commodities, electronic, automobiles, brakes, and other things must be upgraded in Sri Lanka too. It's a must. It's more so in the case of, of course, because we are dealing with a fastly perishing, exhausting raw material called soil, which is mostly required for agricultural purposes also. So we must reduce the usage. And we get to do the technology for that. So before you place a clay, as you know, once the soil is burned, it's burned forever. It can never be recooked. So we must be very careful before we place the clay into the kiln, meaning the hearth, before burning it. So the right amount of clay should be used, transferred to products, clay products, and we must use it. So waste at all levels must be saved. We must reduce the wastage. Industrial wastage must be reduced. And our technology helps you to reutilize the industrial waste of other companies also. Like if coal is not much used in Sri Lanka, I think. If any sugar mill and everything, paddy husk is one important reusable raw material in brick industry. Paddy husk or husk charcoal, even cotton husk charcoals, anything can be used. And we'll give you the technology for that. We have worked with Regional Research Laboratory, Trivandrum in Kerala, which is an Indian national organization. We work with that organization. We formed this technology jointly. And Dr. K.G.K. Valia was one of our research chiefs in this research. Even flying ash, if it is available in India, in Sri Lanka, it can be utilized to the amount of 80%. So the amount of soil which you can save is great. That technology can give you. We serve the whole world for a proper solution. We tell you a small evolution of technology also. We serve the whole world. You may believe that advanced countries give you more technically feasible options than countries like us. No, it's not India or Sri Lanka or Pakistan or Bangladesh. No, it's not often so. It is different also sometimes. Some should increase product technology from other countries. Some should increase productivity, of course, and increase quality. But too energy consuming. Electricity, coal, or petroleum products are scarce in countries like India and Ceylon. So we must save that. Some cause a lot of irretrievable waste. Even in brick industry also, irretrievable waste. Once it is burned, it's irretrievable. But we can give you, even if the soil is burned, we can retrieve it. We'll give you the powder process technology. We'll be discussing about it later. So, searching for feasible technologies, we search the European countries, advanced countries everywhere, and we return home. We happen to see some of our traditional potters in Kerala itself, in our own state itself, producing good quality clay potteries, clay idols, mannequins, and other such things from clay. Hollow products like idols and potteries, earthen pots. They were thin claywares, hollow products, which is only achievable by higher-end technology. No, this handmade things also, they made hollowares centuries before with their own bare hand. That technology we mechanize. Same principle of technology is mechanized for large-scale production. We'll discuss about that. This is one handmade clay pot raw before burning. The person who made it standing nearby is a traditional potter, a particular caste of Kerala, which makes it. They make it with their own bare hand. Even the decoration is done with bare hand. We watch the process, watch it with a renewed interest. Because we know the technology is there. We were searching for technology abroad, Germany, European countries, and US and everywhere. But still, we didn't get a feasible one. We returned home and saw this technology. their process of clay preparation was of really interest to us. We were actually wonderstruck when we see it again. We have seen it in our childhood, but we didn't give an attention to it, the proper attention. They even produce zinc clay, right? And you know, in India, I don't know whether it's in practice here, in India in ancient times, centuries before, dead bodies were buried in a big, large earthen pot. We in our local language, vernacular language, we call it Namnamnadira. When we excavate the ground for constructing a building, even now, we excavate out parts of earth and clay where this were buried, not with any destruction, as such remaining. So think of the technology, that much old technology, indigenous, which can be claimed by Sri Lanka also, because almost the same nations. We had that technology. Now we revived it with machines. This is one decorative water pot and another cooking utensil prepared by hand molding people, traditional artists. Their basic technology of clay preparation was actually unique. The quality of the end product greatly depends on the quality of clay preparation. So one thing, you from the talk with your department officials, we came to know that the clay industry is almost in a dying stage. Why? It was so in Canada. It was so in Canada. We talked to the clay industry. We asked them, which product are you using? Preparing, producing, and selling. Some products. Maybe solid bricks, nothing else. What do the market needs? Go to the market. Find out what kind of clay is needed in the market. We asked them. They've done a market survey and they found that not only roofing and solid bricks, they need something. There were bigger companies which produced hollow wares, hollow blocks, hollow bricks, perforated bricks, putties and all other things. But they were not prepared to produce that. So we asked them to mechanize and produce especially hollow wares. I tell you, the wall blocks, we've seen some large buildings also. We'll show you. The hollow blocks is having lesser weight than solid blocks. So the whole laden weight of the constructed wall will be lesser when compared to solid blocks. It's a huge saving of soil. Plus, it is safe. Just wouldn't say if the building collapses on one day, the laden weight of solid bricks will kill the whole inhabitants. If a natural calamity like earthquake happens, solid blocks are never good, never recommended, but hollow blocks are. It is same because the laden weight is less. Handling is easy, construction is easy, money is saved, earth, precious soil is saved. That is the advantage. So what the market needs, we get to produce. The clay industry will be checked, their problem will be isolated, and we will give them proper technology, whatever state their industry present is. Slowly, one by one, we introduce small machines and train the people, and we produce what the market needs. Especially the hollow blocks, perforated bricks, roofing cans, special cans and everything. And the powder process also. The process is first they collect the clay and store it in the potters. They pound the clay well after mixing it with water. Like this.
Masa?
This is the basic technology. Even if you go to Germany or any other countries who manufactures big brick units, machines for them, same technology is used. Preparation of the clay. Even the wire cutting technology is evolved from these people who are traditional to Sri Lanka and India. So this is what we see. Then they keep it for 1 or 2 days for curing. After it's finished, then after that they